everyone, so today we're going to draw a gnome with a snowy tree in the background. So first we're going to start with his hat. So we'll start about right here and then just come up, curve around, and then make a little point and like a little kind of half circle right there. We're going to do the bottom of the hat, kind of like a slightly wavy line, and then we're going to add this little trim on the hat. And we're going to give the hat a pom-pom. Next we'll go ahead and do the beard on the gnome. So we're just going to start about right here, come down, kind of make a little jaggedy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just like this. And then just join these two together. We're going to give the gnome a nose. Put like a little oval right there. We're not going to see the gnome's eyes because his eyes are hidden underneath his cap. So we'll go ahead and give our gnome a smile. And then we're going to just put a couple little lines on the gnome's beard, just for a little detail. Then we're going to go ahead and do his body. So we'll start on this side of the beard. Just kind of come down like that. Then on the other side, do the same thing, like that. And I'm going to make a little jagged edge for his clothes that he's wearing. And then we're going to go ahead and give him some shoes. So just kind of two little curved lines and then a straight line at the bottom. Again, two little curved lines and a straight line at the bottom. All right, and he also needs some arms. So I'm just going to start right here. Add the other arm on the other side. Kind of like that. And then join those two lines together. We're going to give our gnome some mittens. So it's like a rounded, kind of like a circle, and then a little thumb right there. And then same thing on the other side. Just like that. All right, and then we're going to draw a little snowy tree on the side. So just going to start here with the tree, kind of like a pine tree. Like that, and then the bottom part of the pine tree. And then we'll just add some snow onto our pine tree. All right. Okay, so next we're gonna come in with our black marker and outline our gnome. Start here at the hat. The little nose, our smile. Arms, mittens, his body, the other side of his body, and the other arm. All right, and little feet at the bottom. little lines of detail on his beard, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and do our tree also. It's like a little snowy ground on the bottom. And we'll add our little snow on the tree. All right, so next we're gonna come in and erase all those pencil lines that we have on our drawing before we color. All right, we'll go ahead and color our gnome. So I'm gonna use a red for his hat. And we'll go ahead and do the gloves, red also. Kind of like a wintry gnome in the snow. All right, and I'm gonna use this kind of like a, I'm not sure what color this is called. Kind of like a light pinky color for his nose. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the green for his body. And outline everything first. We're gonna leave his beard white. And we're gonna leave the pom-pom on his hat white also. And I'm just gonna go and color this green also. Because I got the white beard. Let's add a little bit of color to separate the beard from the top of the hat. All right, and then I'm gonna use this gray for his shoes. All right, and then our tree, we use this brown for the trunk of the tree. And then we're gonna use a little bit darker green than we used for his clothes for the pine tree. So we're gonna leave like the top part white for the snow. So we're just gonna color every other section, we're gonna color green because it's a snowy tree. So we wanna leave that snow on there white. And our last section there. Okay, and there you go. That's how you draw a gnome with a snowy Christmas tree in the background. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have more videos on my page so you can see more. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.